curious what the future of your home is about to look like. These futuristic Amazon home gadgets coming in 2026 are designed to make everyday living smarter, smoother, and almost effortless. From automated cleaning to next-level convenience, these innovations feel like they're straight out of tomorrow. All products are linked in the description below. Tired of reaching up or bending down just to use your microwave? This drawer-style oven slides out smoothly, so everything is right at your level. You can open it with a simple touch and close it hands-free, making cooking feel effortless. The hidden control panel tilts towards you, so you can see and adjust settings without awkward angles. With 950 watts of power, it heats food quickly and evenly every time. Plus, the spacious interior gives you plenty of room for larger dishes without cramming. Your closet just got a serious upgrade. This smart clothing care system refreshes your outfits with powerful steam, so you can skip extra washes. Just hang your clothes inside, and it removes dust, odors, and even relaxes wrinkles from every angle. A sanitize mode uses high heat to eliminate bacteria, giving your garments a deeper clean without damage. You can even control it from your phone, making it feel effortless to use. And with its sleek mirror finish, it blends right into your space like modern decor. Your perfect cup shouldn't depend on just one type of pod. This versatile coffee maker lets you use different capsules or even ground coffee, so you're never stuck with one option. You can tweak the temperature and water level to match exactly how you like your drink. A powerful 19-bar pressure system means your coffee comes out rich, smooth, and full of flavor every time. It's just as good for iced drinks as it is for hot ones. Simple to use, easy to clean, and built to fit right into your daily routine. Cleaning your home shouldn't feel like a full-time job. This robot vacuum and mop handles everything on its own, from powerful suction to deep floor washing. It's smart enough to map your space and avoid obstacles, so you don't have to pick things up first. With ultra-strong suction, it pulls dirt and pet hair from deep inside carpets without getting tangled. It even washes and dries its own mop using hot water, so maintenance is almost zero. Just set it once, and you'll come back to spotless floors every time. Pool cleaning just went from a chore to something you barely think about. This cordless robot dives in and scrubs your pool from floor to walls, even along the water line. Strong suction and dual brushes pick up leaves, sand, and fine dirt in one smooth pass. It moves in smart patterns, so it doesn't miss spots or waste time going in circles. With a long battery life, it can handle large pools without stopping halfway. Just drop it in and let it bring your pool back to crystal clear. Cooking just got a serious tech upgrade. This smart induction range gives you a sleek glass cooktop that heats fast and stays easy to clean. A built-in screen lets you follow recipes, watch videos, and even check your front door without leaving the kitchen. Inside, a smart camera streams your food in real time, so you can keep an eye on it from anywhere. The oven uses convection heat to cook meals evenly and faster. And with subtle edge lighting, you always know when it's on while adding a modern glow to your space. Step into a bath that feels more like a private escape than a daily routine. This soaking tub is designed for deep comfort, giving you plenty of room to stretch out and relax. The sloped backrest supports your body so you can lean back without feeling stiff or cramped. A deep interior holds plenty of water, letting you sink in for a full, calming soak. It's built for an alcove setup, so it fits neatly into your bathroom while still feeling spacious. And the smooth acrylic finish keeps it looking clean, modern, and easy to maintain over time. This isn't just a smart screen. It's like having a digital hub for your entire home. The large 11-inch display gives you a bright, sharp view for videos, recipes, calendars, and more, all in one place. You can watch shows, listen to music, or even make video calls with clear sound and a wide, immersive feel. It also helps you control smart devices around your home, so lights, cameras, and thermostats are all at your fingertips. The built-in assistant makes daily tasks easier by helping you plan meals, manage lists, and find information instantly when you're not using it. It even turns into a beautiful photo display for your memories. Your front door just became a smart security system. This device combines a lock, a camera, and a doorbell into one clean setup, so you always know who's at your door. You can unlock it with your fingerprint, a code, your phone, or even your voice, giving you total flexibility. The built-in camera shows clear video of visitors and sends alerts straight to your phone, no matter where you are. It even records and stores footage so you can review anything you missed. At first glance, it looks like a stylish loveseat, but this piece transforms into so much more. It easily switches from a cozy sofa into a full queen-size bed whenever you need extra sleeping space. The smooth pull-out system makes the change quick, so you don't have to struggle or lift anything heavy. Built with a strong iron frame, it feels solid and stable, whether you're sitting or lying down. The soft velvet finish adds a comfortable, premium feel that makes you want to sink right in. Perfect for small spaces, it gives you seating, lounging, and sleeping all in one smart design. Your kitchen just leveled up into a personal cafe you can control with a single touch. This sleek coffee machine works with sealed capsules, giving you a huge range of drinks from rich espresso to smooth hot chocolate and even chilled beverages. You don't have to lift a finger much, just load a capsule and the automatic system opens and brews it for you. With a high-pressure system of up to 15 bar, it pulls deep flavor from every cup so your coffee tastes bold and cafe quality. Movie nights at home just got a serious upgrade. This Power Motion love seat lets you recline smoothly at the push of a button, so you can instantly find your perfect comfort position. The black leather style upholstery feels soft and smooth, giving your space a premium, modern look without being hard to maintain. Right in the center, you get a built-in console with cup holders and storage, so your drinks and essentials stay right within reach. And with built-in speakers, you can enjoy sound coming directly from your seat, making movies, shows, and music feel way more immersive right from your living room. Imagine your room reacting to your mood in real time. This smart LED strip light turns any space into a glowing, colorful experience that you can fully control with your voice or phone. You can change colors instantly, switch to warm white for relaxing nights, or go full vibrant for parties and gaming sessions. Thanks to advanced LED design, the light looks smooth and continuous with no harsh dots, giving your walls a clean, premium glow. And with smart home compatibility, you can control everything hands-free, making your space feel modern, connected, and alive. Ever wished your valuables could recognize you instantly? This smart drawer safe uses fingerprint access and a digital keypad to give you fast, keyless security right at your fingertips. You can store important items like documents, cash, or medicine, and only you get quick access in seconds. A built-in LCD display keeps you informed about battery life and settings, so you're never guessing what's going on. Built from solid steel with a motorized locking system, it adds serious protection while still feeling smooth, modern, and effortless to use every day. This isn't just a keyboard, it's a full-on visual upgrade for your entire desk. With its fully transparent design, you can actually see the inner mechanics glowing under vibrant RGB lighting that you can customize in millions of colors. Every key press feels smooth and quiet thanks to soft linear switches, so you get satisfying feedback without the loud clicking. You can connect it 3 different ways: Bluetooth, wireless dongle, or USB-C, so you stay flexible whether you're gaming, working, or switching devices. Finally, a chair that doesn't just support you, it actually adjusts to you in real time. This smart ergonomic chair tracks your lower back and automatically adapts lumbar support so you stay comfortable without constantly shifting around. The seat is built with breathable airflow cooling, so you don't get that sweaty, stuck feeling even during long hours of sitting. You also get a highly adjustable headrest and armrests that move in almost every direction, letting you find your perfect posture whether you're working, gaming, or just relaxing. Your backyard just turned into a private cinema. This outdoor TV lets you watch movies, shows, and live sports right under the open sky. It delivers sharp 4K resolution with ultra-bright 1000 night clarity, so even daylight won't wash out the picture. Built with a weatherproof body, it can handle rain, dust, and changing seasons with ease. And with smart features like voice control and streaming support, you just connect and enjoy instantly. Fire without the fire sounds like magic, but this is very real. This electric fireplace uses water vapor and LED lights to create a stunningly realistic flame effect. No smoke, no heat, no mess. Just pour in some purified water, plug it in, and you've got a cozy, flickering ambiance in seconds. Pick from 9 color settings to match your mood and control everything from your couch with the included remote. It even adds a touch of natural humidity to the air, so your space stays comfortable while looking incredible. Shoes piling up by the door again? This pull-out shoe rack slides neatly into any closet, cabinet, or entryway and keeps every pair organized and within reach. The shelves adjust to fit everything from heels to boots, and the whole unit stacks so you can build up instead of out. It glides on damping rails, smooth, quiet, and dust-resistant. Available in a wide range of sizes, so whether you've got a tiny nook or a full walk-in, there's a fit for your space. 4 kitchen appliances just became 1. This over-the-range microwave doesn't just reheat leftovers. It convection bakes, air fries, and vents your stovetop all in a single built-in unit. Air frying means you get that crispy, golden finish on your food without a drop of oil or a countertop cluttered with gadgets. At 1.7 cubic feet, there's plenty of room inside for a full casserole dish or a whole rotisserie chicken. It mounts above your stove to free up counter space, and the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel keeps it looking clean with zero effort. Your bathroom just got a serious upgrade. This smart toilet does everything short of tucking you in: heated seat, built-in bidet, automatic lid that opens and closes when you walk up, and a foot sensor for totally hands-free flushing. A foam dispenser coats the bowl before each use to cut down on splashing, odors, and stains, so cleaning becomes almost an afterthought. Soft waterfall lighting cycles through 4 colors to give your bathroom a spa-like glow, day or night. It's the one fixture that makes every other bathroom feel instantly outdated. A lamp and a speaker walked into a room and completely transformed it. This cordless smart lamp pairs crystal clear JBL audio with 210 color LEDs that pulse and sync to your music in real time, with a reaction speed so fast it catches every beat. Choose from over 100 lighting scenes for any mood, or customize every single bulb to your own design. The built-in battery runs for hours completely wire-free, so you can take the party anywhere in your home. It even connects to Alexa, Google, and your smartphone, because great ambiance should be effortless. Cleaning the whole house on a single charge? With up to 80 minutes of battery life, this cordless stick vacuum makes it entirely possible. The tube bends 90 degrees to reach under sofas and low furniture without you having to get on your hands and knees. LED lights on the brush head illuminate dust hiding in dark corners, and the HEPA filter traps 99.99% of particles, including allergens, so the air coming out is cleaner than the air going in. No bags, no cords, No fuss, just a genuinely thorough clean from floor to ceiling. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.